What's up, guys? This is Nick Janusa. We just pulled into RedBud. We got awesome weather this weekend. It feels a little bit cooler here than it did back home. Back in New Jersey, it's been super hot all week, so I'm feeling good coming into this physical-wise. You know, I podiumed here last year. It was my first year ever getting a podium, and, you know, I like to use that as a lot of confidence coming into the race this weekend, so I'm looking forward to that. Hole shots will be key. The track's looking pretty sandy. It's looking real rough, which is my style, so hopefully I can put on a good show and back up what I did here last year.
What's up, everyone? It's Bryce Ford here. We had a pretty good weekend at Pleasure Valley. At our last race, I got my first pro podium, and I'm really excited for these first and second motos today. The track, it looks like it's going to get really rough, and I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully I can get on another podium and keep it going. Hopefully I can get a second this time to better last weekend. Maybe even a win. I'd be happy with a third though for sure, but it's always nice getting on the podium.
Track's looking pretty good right now. It's looking sandy and loose. Probably gonna get really rough, but you know, we got a lot of tuning on the bike lately. Different style of shocks we're putting on for this weekend, so you know, I hope we can go out there and put down 2 solid motos and just be consistent and stay up front and try to gain some points this weekend, because I really need them. I really need the points back from what we had at Pleasure Valley, and you know, just build off that. And if not, get on the podium and stay safe.
These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Cold, these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. Cold, these brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.
Your setup was key, and man, we nailed it, and the good power with the Baldwin motor, performance tuning, and then, you know, put the CST tires with the traction on top of that, and we just had an awesome setup. I just needed to be able to hold that gas on a little bit more and move up that result a little bit, but ultimately, any day on the box with all these guys is a great day, and I'm super happy and stoked to be moving on and another podium.
Tough day out here for me. Probably everybody else too. It was a really brutal track. Just struggled a bit in Moto 1. Made some big changes for Moto 2 and it helped out a lot. Fell short on today. Got some work to do for sure, but we'll be at Lake Sugar Tree ready to go in a month. We got a big month break and I'm excited for it.
Track was gnarly. I enjoyed every minute of it, and it's been a long time since I won one, and I'm just really blessed on our performance today and our team and everybody working so hard. And here we go. Let's get ready for Virginia. We got a little bit of time off. We're gonna enjoy this one and then get back to work here soon.